a new update. And so I'm going to try and check out what it is. Okay? So first of all, let's check out the new cosmetics. Okay? So just gotta... 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow! Oh my god. Summer Splash. Is this a... Ew. Ew. What's this? So goofy. Anyways, let's check out these new cosmetics. Okay, oh my god. Muscly. Shark heads. Oh, I actually want that squid a little bit. Then a monkey. Oh, there's also an ice cream cup. I'll check that out. It's just that I don't have that much room. Here, I can equip 2 more stuff. Yo, these cosmetics are so cool. Okay, so gotta equip this and equip that. So these cosmetics actually look very cool. Here, so let me check them out. Wait, first let me check out this new bundle. Oh, that's actually cool. And you also get a watch. Summer Splash Pack, $30. Isn't that worth it? Summer Splash, 10,000. Summer Splash Pack with 10,000. Oh, that is worth it. 10,000 shiny rocks. And this time, limited DLC. I'll think about getting that. Okay? Just let me... Okay. So, first of all, let's check out these new cosmetics. So, first we have... Yo. Oh my god, you have your own ice cream. That's so cool. Okay. Squid. Blah, 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 blah. Dude, I love this hat. I actually love this hat. Okay, that's actually really cool. I can drink it. Coconut. Can it refill? Wait. Okay, I think I drank it all, but let's check out this. It's in the it's on the couch. Okay. So wait. What's that? Look at that direction. Yeah, I don't know what that is. But okay, this is a new umbrella. Pretty good. Yeah. Trying to type me back. Ow, shield. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, really good umbrella. That actually looks really cool. Just regular hat. And there was a lot of hype about this. And this. And, oh, the mermaid tail. Here, let me try this. Oh, this is cool. People are gonna, like, make fun of it, though. Oh my god, it's a new holdable. Okay, sorry, I got a little distracted. Let's try, I can't take off the mermaid tail. Let's try this baboon. Wait, can it, I always wondered, can balloons pop? Today we're gonna figure that out. No, I can't hold it. Can it pop? No, I'm guessing it can't pop. Oh my god, it's a glizzy. I love this. I love these cosmetics. They're pretty decent. Oh, you have the muscles back with the lifeguard. Just look like a monkey wearing clothes. Oh, yeah. Okay, a little monkey dance. Do a bit more. Okay. Those cosmetics are really cool. Okay. Guys, let's check out the new map. I already know where the map is because it's already in forest. So let's go check it out. Secret tunnel. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's go. Check out the new map. Oh my god. Okay. Let's try to... Oh my god, guys, there's water. Can I go in it? Oh my god, can you swim? You can swim. It's hard to move around in it though. Oh. Yo, I'm so excited to see this new map. Just climb up this rope. Don't mind my excellent rope skills. Okay, I'm gonna reveal. Oh my god! Yo! This is a sick map! Yo! This map is so cool! Oh my god! I don't even know what to say. This isn't exactly what we expected, but like, this is actually it's way more than we expected. I'm so glad about this update. Generally, you can swim. Oh wow, you can actually just go up to pretty good speeds. Yo, there's a diving board. Yo, there's diving board. I'm gonna just like wander around this map for like the next 3 minutes. Okay. That one. Here, wait, let me try to do something funny really quick. Okay, so just gotta... I did it. Let me... Wait, I'm so stupid. Why don't I just swim? Okay. Okay, guys, wait, let's hear this music. Okay, no, that might be copyright, but... Anyways, I'm gonna do some cool stunts. Okay, so... Woo! I'm so good. Yeah. Okay. Let's just... Oh wow! Here's the computer. This is cool. Just regular computer. Don't need to check that out a lot, but nice to know that the computer is there. Unlike shop, where you have to literally go in the basement to see the computer. Or forest. Or stump. But anyways, back onto the map. I think this map is really cool. I'm gonna just explore a little bit around in the water. So let me go down here. Let's see what this is. I want to see if it's like... Oh, wow! It's like it's another slide! Wow. Let's just go over here. This is actually probably Gorilla Tag's most update, and I love this update. But just... Okay. Let me go up here. Is there like any part of the water where it feels like... I wonder if there's like a glitch in the water. But let's go in this mini waterfall. Wait. I actually just totally predicted that. Look. Now you're in water. Now you're not in water. Yo. It's still playing the... Here, wait. It plays the underwater effects and it says... Oh, you're still... Okay, it's still playing the underwater effects here. Let me just fix that. Okay, now let me actually get out of the water. Oh, this is way better. I'm gonna end the video with a little bit of like a trick shot, and I'm gonna end the video right as I get into the water. Actually, no. Okay, I want to do another one. Sorry, I just wanted to do that. Yo, did you just hear that bird? Okay, anyways, let's go. Let's do it. Let's see if I can, will I take fall? I'm trying to get onto there and see if I'll take fall damage. Like, I know I probably won't, but I just want to test, like, you know? Like, I don't really wanna, like, I don't even know what I just said. So, I keep landing in the water. Why do I keep landing in the water? I want to land on the, thing, oh, I could just, oh my god. Okay, you know what, at this point, I just want to end the video, but I'm not going to end it like that. Okay, just gotta, sorry, I'm gonna have to speed this up. Okay, we're back at the diving board.